without taking action.
Now, the Confederation of IGAD Employers has called on IGAD states to support the protocol of free movement of persons to help solve the employment challenge. Now, the Confederation noted that due to the region's volatility, reducing non-tariff barriers will be essential in streamlining the labor market.
And movement of the person within the region, of course, is for the sake of employment. Because if the youth in Kenya, for example, are unemployed and there are opportunities in South Sudan that they can make benefit of, they can go to South Sudan, they can go to Ethiopia, they can go to anywhere in the region where they can get their opportunities. So that is why all these mechanisms are being developed, but it is our obligation to let our communities understand what is meant by all these mechanisms that our governments are trying to establish.
Over 21%